Hi, it's Larry Wolf again, National Training Manager for Regency Fireplace Products. I'm here today to show you a little bit about the new Regency CF780 wood-burning fireplace. Just a couple of exciting new features on it: the huge guillotine door, 8-inch solid pack or air-cooled pipe, and the screen all slide up and down very easily. Maintenance-wise, it's a dream. Let's have a closer look. Just a few of the features on your new CF780 fireplace: over 700 square inches of viewing area. To go along with that large viewing area, there's a clean edge finish all the way around. It doesn't take away from that beautiful view. The door and the screen both run on independent tracks, one on the left, one on the right, for the door and the screen, providing you smooth, reliable surface throughout the lifespan of the unit. There's no need to balance or align the doors right off the bat or even down the road. A total of 4 pulleys and the weights are factory installed to keep anything from wobbling or twisting on the door or the screen. Interior wise, there's 3 different cement panel options. It gives you an excellent backdrop to change or to match with your room. If your room changes, so can your panels. The removable door handle with leather strap, just ease of opening and closing a warm or a hot door. Inside the firebox, there's going to be a dimple on the left and right panel. What those are there for: some minor modifications and your owner's manual. You can put gas logs into it. Quick and simple. The outside air and your flue can be closed to prevent cold air from coming inside when not using the unit. Just a few things to help ease the installation. Top vent unit. It'll take either 8-inch solid pack pipe or 8-inch air-cooled pipe. Make sure you check with the owner's manual for the area you're in, versus other manufacturers that have to use a 10-inch pipe. It's more expensive, harder to find, and harder to place going through tight areas up in the home. The tapered design of the body fits into corners to get you closer in. The included chase grills, while they're required, we give you 4. 2 for the top, 2 for the bottom. They can be painted to blend in to any color material within the room. Maintenance: all the main parts are completely serviceable. No surprises after it's installed. And of course, as always, the firebox, smoke chamber are all made of 10 gauge heavy duty steel. No worries about warping with a Regency product. Thanks for checking out our video on the CF780. My name's Larry Wolf. See you soon.